वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ सोलर पावर्ड। मेरा लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आपको दिखाया था, आई शोड यू लाइक क्या बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल है एक सोलर सेल्स का या एक सोलर मॉड्यूल्स का। तो कैसे जो हम लोग ये सनरेज जो हैं उसको हम कैसे डीसी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, वो आपको एक लिमिटेड वीडियो के द्वारा मैंने दिखाया था। सो आई होप यू गाइज लाइक दैट वीडियोज़। अभी आज जो है, आज मैं साइट पे आया हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे। सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज practically like how the solar cells are generating DC current and how we are feeding the DC current to our inverter. So I'll be give you a brief explanation about that. So please stay tuned and follow me. तो guys, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये एक सोलर मॉड्यूल है, जोंजे में एक सोलर मॉड्यूल है। जोंजे सोलर कंपनी का नाम है, वो मैन्युफैक्चरर है। तो यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, अगर मैं आपको जूम करके दिखाऊँ तो so guys, if I show you this closely, you can see like these are thin fingers over there. These horizontal lines, these are thin fingers. From these lines the electron is flowing to this bus bar. This vertical line is there, this is a thick line, this one is bus bar. It's going to this bus bar, and from this bus bar, through this bus bar, it is coming to this common bus bar over here. The electricity flows to this common bus bar. It's the electron flow actually. And going underneath of that panel, you can see there is a junction box, and in the junction box, from there we are getting one positive connection and one negative connection. So the electricity which is generated via this silicon wafers, that is been transferred to these fingers to this bus bar. From this bus bar it is coming to the common bus bar, and from here we are taking the output from the underneath junction box. There is one positive and one negative. So this is the basic basic thing of a solar module. And this is, you can see, this negative connector, MC4 negative connector, and here also connections are there. So like that we have made a series connection of 21 modules. Each module, so you can say, is giving somehow around 45 volt. Open circuit voltage for each module is nearby 45 volts. So when we are connecting 21 modules in series, so we are getting near about 945 volts in a row. We are getting somehow 945 volts output, and that 945 volt we are taking in two lines. Two single connections we are taking in. So this table is right now opened due to there is some fault rectification is happening. So for that we have opened this. So there is one positive connector and there is one negative connector. So that complete 845 volt we are taking via this table, and we are shifting it in these two singles line 6 square mm cables we are using over here, and we are sending it through this underground line to the string combiner box. I will show you the string combiner box now. So guys, this is the string combiner box. As you can see, there are 3 separate boxes. I will open the box later and I will show you. So this one is for all the positive connections. So you can see from all that lines which were there, where we have connected 21 modules. We can make it 20 combinations, 21 combinations. Somewhere it used to be 40 combination. It depends on the plant capacity and the area of space we have. So the 21 lines, after connecting the 21 modules in a single line, we are shifting all the positive connections over here in the positive side of the string combiner box. So all the connections are coming through underground, and this is the negative side of the string combiner box. All the negatives are getting connected here, and this is the output through an isolator. We are giving the output. There is one positive and negative line as well. So after combining all the strings, we are making it two single positive and negative, and via underground we are sending it to the control room where we have the inverter. So I will open the string combiner box for your convenience, and I will show you how the connections are and how it is happening. So guys, this is our string combiner box. As you can see, this is our positive side, this is our isolator and output, this is our negative side. So there are 21 modules in each line, and from each line, after making them in series connection, we are taking the positive string and we are connecting it here in the positive side, and the negative string in the negative side. So here, as you can see, 21 single modules in each line, and for this particular is a string combiner box. So as you can see, there are 21 positive connections and there are 21 negative connections. So that is making one single system. So how we are taking the inputs, we are using 4 square mm cable here, and from each string it is going to the fuse, and from fuse it is going to another fuse for outputs, and from there it is going to the isolator, and while going to the isolator, in between that there is an SPD, that is surge protective device. So this SPD's work is basically to protect the our system from any kind of surge voltage, and this is, you can see, this is isolator. So by turning it off and turning it on, we can make this complete system disconnected or isolated from our inverter. And here this is the output. So after combining all the positive and negative, one positive wire is going, that is 40 square mm cable, and another one is negative wire that is going as output, and it's going through underground, and it's going to the control room where it is connected with the inverter. So we have separate SCVs for each system. So like that we have 9 SCVs over here. So 9 systems we have created, and as you can see, like this is the negative side, as the same working procedure as the positive side. Only here we don't have the protections that we are using in positive side. And this is the body grounding of the particular SCVs, and I can show you the voltage. So if you check the voltage of each side, as I told you previously, so like it's 945 open circuit voltage that is been created for one single line, because like 45 open circuit voltage for each module, and which is connected in series. So I will show you the voltage of each positive side. हाय गाइस, तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने पॉजिटिव ब्लेड को पॉजिटिव में कनेक्ट किया है एक सिंगल स्ट्रिंग का, और नेगेटिव ब्लेड को नेगेटिव स्ट्रिंग में कनेक्ट किया है. एंड यू कैन सी लाइक द ऑनलोड वोल्टेज इट शोइंग नियर बाई 642 644 लाइक दैट. सो अगर हम इस आइसोलेटर को ऑफ करते हैं और ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज चेक करते हैं, हमने आइसोलेटर को बंद किए, और अगर हम ये ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज चेक करते हैं, तो आप देख सकते हैं ये नियर अबाउट 800 वोल्ट के आसपास दिखा रहा है. तो ये इनका एक स्ट्रिंग का ओपन सर्किट वोल्टेज है 945. एक्चुअली दैट इज़ द ऑप्टिमम वोल्टेज ऑफ अ सिंगल लाइन, बट एज इफ ऑप्टिमम कंडीशन हम लोगों को अचीव करना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है, तो समवेयर नियर अबाउट 810 812 कभी कभी 850 तक वोल्टेज दिखा देता है. दिस इज ऑफलोड वोल्टेज जब हम आइसोलेटर को बंद कर रहे हैं. और इसी चीज़ को जब हम अंडर लोड टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि वोल्टेज वहाँ पे यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है. तो ये वोल्टेज का जो वैल्यू है वो कुछ 600 के आसपास होता है. यहाँ पे कुछ कनेक्शंस प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इसलिए घटता जा रहा है ये. एक सेकंड. तो देख सकते हैं 635 के आसपास वोल्टेज था वहाँ पे. कनेक्शन लूज होने की वजह से वोल्टेज डिग्रेड हो रहा है. So that is it. That is all about our voltage that we are getting from our DC lines or DC panels or DC modules. So that's how we are transferring it from this output to this voltage. We are transferring it from each string. We are getting such voltage, and it's getting combined in a single line, and it's getting converted from this positive and negative output, from this positive and this negative output to the control room inside our inverter. So that is it. Hello guys, I hope you liked the video I have just shared. If you liked it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can go to the comment section and you can ask there. Everything is welcome over there. And once again, please guys, please like, subscribe and share. It's a new channel. I really need your support. So that's all, and thank you for watching my video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.